Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another update for the Edge web browser. And Microsoft is now pushing out yet another point release update before we get our release of version 115 next week, starting the 20th of July. Now, if you'd like to see if you have this latest update, as always, we head to the main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And after this update has been applied, the version and build now is bumped up to 114.0.1823.82. And the point release has been bumped up from 0.79 to 0.82. And this is now the second update for Edge over the last 3 days. So clearly there are a couple of issues that Microsoft is trying to resolve before version 115 starts rolling out next week. Now, this is a double-sided update, and first of all, Microsoft say once again they have fixed various bugs and performance issues with this latest release and this point release update. So if you have experienced any issues, just double-check that your browser is up to date. And I actually think that this is the 6th bug and performance issue fix update that is actually rolling out. So clearly there have been some problems with version 114. And then over and above the bug and performance fixes that have rolled out, we also get Edge-specific updates for security. So there are 3 Edge-specific security updates that are rolling out. And the 3 vulnerabilities that have been addressed are spoofing vulnerability, a remote code vulnerability, and a tampering vulnerability. And that's for the actual Edge web browser itself. At this stage, I'm not 100% sure if any of those are from the Chromium project, which the browser is based on. I haven't seen anything from Google Chrome side yet, so I'm suggesting that these are Edge-specific, as the release notes are saying. So 3 Edge-specific vulnerabilities have been addressed: spoofing, remote code, execution vulnerability, and a tampering vulnerability. And I have had a quick look once again around the browser, and I'm not noticing any major changes or any little tweaks or adjustments as yet that Microsoft has made. And that's version 114, 1.823.82 rolling out. And as mentioned, 115, the next major release, will be rolling out starting next week, the 20th of July. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.